What up, YouTube? Well, today I got some cool in the mail. It's right in here in the truck, which is locked, and I don't have keys. Let me see if the front door is open. Yeah, I got lucky. Let's open the trunk. With all my crap. My birthday was a few days ago, so I did get this awesome power washer, but that's gonna be another video of me washing the car or something. I don't know yet, but here it is. Oh. Let me set it down, and yeah, we'll do a little guessing game right now. Did finally get my wing extension, so yeah, let's open it up and see how it looks. So here, basically, I got a wing extension. I got the sticker too. Kind of want to put the sticker on there. And they give me 3M tape, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. I know from the last time I had a wing extension, I had some 3M tape on the bottom here. I think I already took it off. Okay, cool. I did take off the 3M tape, so it is pretty dirty down there, so I'm just gonna kind of clean all this off, clean the whole wing, and go inside. I'll just start putting the 3M tape all around, and yeah, and then put it on, and then leave it till tonight or tomorrow, and then start driving it. It's gonna make it look good. I just need to actually wash my car, because it is pretty dirty. I'll use that power washer probably the next video, honestly. My car looking dirty, and yeah, so let's go inside, put all the tape on it, hopefully put that right in the middle if I can. I suck at putting stickers on things because I always have, like, you know, have too much bubbles, or it's always crooked, but we'll see. Okay, so I put the sticker on there. I think I put it kind of in the middle. It might be a little to the left, just a tad, but you can't really tell too much. And we'll take this little sticker off. Bam! Hell yeah. That looks good. Now, come over here, we'll open this up, and start putting it on the back, and we're good. Okay, so I'm kind of at work doing this, so kind of on the clock, but this is kind of my half-assed way I did the the actual 3M tape. My friend said just screw into the wing. I'm probably gonna do that, honestly, but for now we have this. I'm gonna take off all the tape, put it on there, and hopefully it sticks. Okay, guys, I'll kind of give you a next video or tomorrow morning. I'll kind of show you how I put it on. Basically, at work I couldn't do it because it's just too damn busy. We're busy all the damn time, every day. Don't matter what day it is, we're busy as shit. So everyone needs an oil change. But yeah, dude, it looks pretty good from down here, honestly. Damn, son, that looks real good. I'm just ordered a few more parts for the exterior mods. Honestly, I think, okay, I ordered everything except for the actual base in our grill, front grill. That's gonna, I don't know if that's gonna be my next purchase, because that's another $300 I have to fucking spend for a damn grill, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna spend that next paycheck or not, but we'll see what happens. But basically, that's how the wing extension fits on here. Let me go on my email real quick and show you what the extension is, what website it's from. I got the Canards as well, maybe from that same website. I'm not sure. It might be on the next video, who knows. Trying to keep you guys guessing on what the next exterior mod will be. I got a few things coming, which is cool, because I'm finally fixing everything on the car. at least on the front end side. Like, I still need to fix this crap, because yeah, that happens all the time. Look, my bumper's like not even on half the freaking time. Look at that, it's trash. But yeah, man, I really wanted to get wing extensions, but because of my daughter always hopping out inside the car and stuff, she usually steps on them, and that's exactly why my side skirts are like that, just dangling and not really secured correctly, because I need to buy new hardware for that to be fully put on. But yeah, I'll kind of give you guys more of a better like visual tomorrow morning when the sun is up, because it's pretty dark now. But it's pretty much real easy. They provide you the 3M tape, which is cool. It's stuck on there for now, but honestly, I probably am gonna drill like a hole, like 1 or 2 holes, like right on the side right here, just to for sure, you know, fully secure it, because that thing cost me like 80 bucks. But yeah, man, tomorrow morning I'll kind of show you a better video on it, so just give me a second, and I'll show you tomorrow real quick. I'm back at work, because I'm always at work, but that's pretty much how it's looking now, boys. That shit looking good, boy. And honestly, it looks pretty much in the middle. Yeah, let me see if I can get a good shot for you. Damn, son. Damn, son. Not looking good. Okay, well, hopefully you guys like that video. Man, that wing is looking just a little better from the back end. I have one more thing that I'm gonna install for that ass end of mine, and it's gonna maybe perfect the whole back. I am kind of thinking of taking my Mazda logo off and just having a cleaner look, but I don't know, we'll see. Comment down below, let me know if you guys like that, kind of like taking all the decals off, or just having all of them on. But other than that, hopefully you guys like the video. Till next time, peace.